Hey guys, today I am going to start what is a React component. A React component is a reusable piece of code that represents a part of user interface in a React application. Think of it like you can build a small block component and combine them to create big structure. Type of component, function component and class component. Function component modern way, class component older way. Features of React component: they return JSX, HTML plus JavaScript, accept props, data input, can manage state, data that change. Let's example. Function component modern way. Function welcome return hello coder hello tips. Output hello tips. This is the function component modern way. Okay. Class component older way. Class welcome extend component render return yes, same working. This is the class component more older way. A function component modern way.